Our long-awaited Holllandia yogurt cake is here. Hello everyone, hope we're doing good. Alright, very quickly, we used 8 by 8 square pan to bake it. Then we cut it into 4, layered it on top of each other. We created an opening on the first and second layer. We crumb coated our cake, flattened our fondant, and covered the cake. Okay, so after covering it, we went over to our printouts. We used edible glue to glue it to the body of the fondant. If you observe well, you see that the video is actually two, the old one and the new one. I just decided to mix things up. That's why I used it. So here is our cover. I used the bottom of the biggest nozzle to get the cover. If you observe well, this base that will carry the lid, I kept reducing it. Now, why I made reference to the bottom of the nozzle is to tell you the size. If that base is more than that lid, that bottom of nozzle, keep reducing it until the lid is a little bigger. Can you see? Is a little bigger than that base. That is what you use. Then you gently open up the fondant, remove the fondant, covering that hole that you've created. Here comes our secret. You use a clean container, maybe a brand new one you've not used, or maybe container from Sprinkles, but it must be neat. If possible, wash very well. Add your Holllandia yogurt to it and place into that hole that you have made. Then add your edible glue and place, that's at the top, and place your cover. Here comes our Holllandia yogurt cake. Hope I have fulfilled my promise. Oh yeah, if you're holding my flower, give me fast. More so, if you have questions, further questions, feel free to ask. Someone asked how to get the printout. Just go to a business center, ask them to download Holllandia yogurt picture, the 4 sides and the top. Then you print it. Use 8 by 4 to print it. That's all. Any further questions, I'll be in the comment section. Bye. Cheers. See you soon.